Potato meat recipe made in 5 minutes. Here I am using 6 potatoes and I cut them in a half. Once that's done, start seasoning with salt to taste. Sweet paprika, black pepper, and now just reserve this potato on the side. In this recipe, I'm using 7 soft top steaks. Here the seasoning are also to taste. I used salt, chimichurri, smoked paprika, now just mix to add the seasoning and reserve the steaks on the side. Cut an onion into slices. Here gave a total of 6 slices. This part is very easy. Let's take a half of the potato, a steak, a slice of onion, and the other half of the potato. It will stay that way. And to help fix it, use toothpicks. Here I used 3 units. Once this is done, just join 2 parts and repeat the process with the rest of the materials, and then wrap the potatoes in aluminum foil. Place all the wrapped potatoes in a time and place in preheated oven at 180 degrees for 1 hour. When that time's up, just unwrap and remove all the aluminum foil. Then add a little oil to reheat potato and bake again at 180 degrees for another 30 minutes. To give it a special touch, I added cheese to taste and our meat is ready. Look how amazing it looks. Perfect recipe for your lunch or dinner. I hope you enjoyed. This was another little recipe here from the Poor in the Kitchen. That's strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.